Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I've been uploading one video a day on either this channel or my other one. At this point, I've done 5 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the first of 2 in-depth discussion series of the musical top 10s, being musical characters in Zelda games. My second favorite musical character in Zelda games was Sheik from Hyrule Warriors. This Sheik is definitely the superior one, totally different from the one in Ocarina of Time, because she is considered non-canon and actually identifies herself as female. Plus, this was my way of sneaking 2 characters into this slot, since Sheik is Zelda. But I won't spend too much time on Zelda, as Sheik does the more interesting things with her music. I said I wouldn't spend too much time on Hyrule Warriors Zelda, but I just want to quickly touch on her musical weapon, the Wind Waker. So this weapon plays musical notes as you attack, but it also, like its name suggests, summons winds to attack. One of my favorite combos is when she floats into the air and summons a musical staff which electric notes fly across. Also, some of her combos play classic songs from her series, which I think is pretty neat. Oh, and her victory pose has her conducting some fairies who celebrate with her. Alright, back to the main event, Sheik. Sheik fights with her harp in order to support her magic songs. Depending on her combo, it ends with a minor elemental attack, which then sets what song she'll play on her harp when using her strong attack. The first and most useful is the Serenade of Water. This song creates a barrier around Sheik to absorb damage. The second is the Bolero of Fire. This song summons a freaking meteor. The third is the Song of Storms. It surrounds Sheik in a whirlwind of electricity, knocking foes back. Next is the Nocturne of Shadows, creating a black hole that draws enemies into it. Great for laying down damage on a big horde. Finally is the Prelude of Light, which creates a square where you can quickly recharge your super meter. Outside of the standard combos, you have the Breakout of Focus, which is Saria's song, summoning a tree to knock out the enemies. You've got the super move, which rhythmically moves a damaging circle of light in and out before launching all the enemies away. There's also a guard break where, after beating up on an enemy with a kunai, she strums her harp and launches them. And with that, I know what the educational portion of this video is going to be. Sound waves. Have I talked about this before on this channel? I don't think so. Waves are measured in 3 ways: amplitude, frequency, and shape. Amplitude affects volume, frequency the pitch, and shape the timbre. Sound waves work because they have a medium to move through, air. That's why no one can hear you scream in space. This means that a loud enough sound can move the air enough to actually cause a physical effect. Usually that physical effect is forcibly deafening you. This isn't the only destructive effect of sound. Changing the frequency to a certain amount can cause it to resonate at the same frequency and destroy another item. Lower frequencies, even those that are inaudible to humans, can cause mental and physical discomfort. Anyway, this Sheik also hides herself well, even when Impa isn't sure of her actually being a Sheikah, seeing as Impa was supposed to be the only one. Sheik also doesn't reveal herself until a fake Zelda is causing chaos, letting her know that her deception is no good, as she is the real Zelda. Frankly, the other Zelda had no reason to drop her disguise. She deserved her time in the Pink Crystal. Yeah, I said it. Hyrule Warriors Zelda Sheik for the win. Be sure to like this video as well, since I like validation. Also, make sure you subscribe so I can see you all tomorrow as I continue and finish the in-depth look at the top 10 musical characters in Zelda games. If you missed the list and want to see who I'm going to be talking about tomorrow, or if you missed any other list I've done, the link to that playlist is over here. And while you're there, subscribe as well. I'll be doing some more top 10s on that channel. See you tomorrow.